everyone, welcome back to the Decorate With Me series here on Teola Events. Today, we're taking on a truly creative challenge, transforming a church venue for their 3rd anniversary celebration. This venue is not your regular church building, but a basketball sports hall used as a church. The client requested a purple and gold color scheme, which is classy, elegant, and regal. But here's the twist. The church's existing backdrop drapes were red. Now red, gold, and purple aren't colors that usually blend effortlessly, so we had to think outside the box. We also wanted to keep within the client's budget, so replacing the red drapes wasn't an option. It would have been too expensive to remove and reinstall new ones just for this event. So instead, we decided to work with what we had, not against it. I therefore created a mock-up highlighting my intentions, a balloon tower combining purple, gold, and a hint of red to bring harmony to the color palette. Then I attached purple and gold drapes right over the red backdrop to soften it and tie all 3 colors together beautifully. To elevate the look, I added 3 elegant flower arrangements, a soft lighting setup for the stage to create warmth and depth, and of course, a plush carpet to complete the transformation. Here's the balloon selection we used. Red Callison balloons in 5 and 12 inches, metallic gold DMR balloons in 5, 12, and 31 inches, purple Decomex balloons in 5 and 12 inches. So come behind the scene with me. Let's show you how we put everything together. And just look at how it turned out. What started as a challenging color mix ended up looking rich, regal, and absolutely perfect for a third anniversary celebration. Sometimes the best designs happen when we're working within limitations. So what do you think? Did we make the red, purple, and gold work together? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Decorate With Me episodes from Teola Events. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, with creativity and vision, every space can be transformed beautifully.